Good morning students. Welcome to the sixth lesson of trigonometric ratios. Application of trigonometric ratios in real world context. In this lesson we will use trigonometric ratios to solve the real world problem. Let's solve the question. Question number 3, practice now 8 on page number 304. Devi uses clinometer to measure the height of a tree TB. From where she stands, the angle of elevation of the tree is 40 degree and height of the tree is 18.4 meter. Given that the clinometer is 1.6 meter above the ground, find the distance AB between Devi and the foot of the tree. Clinometer is a device to measure the height of the objects. The angle of elevation of Devi's eyes from the top of the tree is 40 degree. The term angle of elevation denotes the angle from the horizontal upward to an object. So angle of elevation of the clinometer or the eyes of the Devi from the top of the tree is 40 degree. Height of clinometer from the ground is 1.6 meter. The horizontal line where the angle of elevation is formed, I name this side CD. In this question we have to find the distance between Devi and the tree, the distance AB. Distance AB and distance CD are equal because these are the opposite sides of a rectangle. To find out the distance AB, we will find distance CD. First we find the length TD that will be used in this question. We subtract BD from the total height of the tree BT. So we have TD is equal to 18.4 meter minus 1.6 meter. So length of TD is 16.8 meter. To find out the value of CD, we will take triangle CDT. In triangle CDT, tan theta is equals to perpendicular over base. Tan 40 degree is equal to 16.8 over CD. By cross multiplication, we have CD is equal to 16.8 over tan 40 degree. By using calculator, the value of CD is 20.0. Correct to significant figures. So length of AB is 20.0. Now we are going to solve practice now 10 on page number 306. The height of a warehouse WH is 26.5 meter. ABC is vertical mast in front of the warehouse. BW is the horizontal cable attached to the mast from the top of the warehouse. Given that angle AWB is 49.6 degree and angle WCH is 32.4 degree, find the height of the mast. In the diagram, AC is the height of the mast. To find out the length of AC, we will find the length of AB and length of BC. First we are going to find the length of BC. In triangle CHW, tan theta is equal to perpendicular over base. Tan 32.4 degree is equal to 26.5 over CH. By using calculator, we have the length of CH is equal to 41.76 meter, correct to 4 significant figures. We round off this number correct to 4 significant figures because this is not our final answer. We take here one digit extra. It will be used further in the question. In the main diagram, the length CH and the length BW are equal because they are the opposite sides of a rectangle. In the main diagram, the sides CH and BW are equal. BC is equals to WH. Since opposite sides in rectangle are equal in length, I write their lengths in the main diagram with red color. Now we are going to find the length of AB. For this I will take triangle ABW. In triangle ABW, tan theta is equals to perpendicular over base. Tan 49.6 degree is equals to AB over 41.76. After solving, we have the length of AB is equals to 49.07 meter. Now we are going to find the height of mast AC. In the main diagram, we know that AC is equals to AB plus BC. The value of AB is 49.07 and the value of BC is 26.5. So length of AC is 75.6, correct to 3 significant. On this page we are going to solve practice now 11 on page number 307. When a straight pole of length 14.5 meter leans against the top edge of a signboard on a building, it forms an angle of 53 degree with the ground. When the pole leans against the lower edge of the same signboard, it forms an angle of 42 degree with the ground. Find the height of the signboard. From the information given in the question, I have drawn the diagram for this question, in which line AD and BE represent poles and ED represents signboard and CE is the wall. Here we have to find the height of signboard ED. To find out the length ED, first we find the total length CE and then CD length, then subtract CD from the total length CE to get ED. First we are going to find the length CE. In triangle BCE, sin theta is equals to perpendicular over hypotenuse. Sin 53 is equal to CE over 14.5. After calculation, we have the length of CE 11.58 meter. Now we are going to find the length CD. In triangle ACD, sin theta is equals to perpendicular over hypotenuse. Sin 42 degree is equal to CD over 14.5. CD is equal to 14.5 multiply sin 42. CD is equals to 9.70 meter, correct to 3 significant figures. Now we are going to find the height of signboard. From the main diagram we know that DE is equals to CE minus CD. The value of CE 11.58 and the value of CD 9.70. So length of DE is 1.88 meter. So height of the signboard is 1. Note your homework, exercise 11D on page number 308. Question number 1, question number 4, question number 5 and question number 6. Thank you.